Hello everyone, I'm Ankit Verma. I'm from Jharsuguda, Odisha. I've done my college from Government College of Engineering, Kalahandi. I came here as a scholarship student, and I would recommend everyone to join Jspider as a student without going to college, because the education we get here is far better than what we get in 4 years of college. Also, the faculties are really great. They dive deep into the subject and clear every concept so that we will not face any issue in the interviews. Also, the mock interviews and the presentation batches which are held at Jspiders Marathahalli really helped me improve my personality and speaking skills in public and interviews. So I would really recommend everyone to join and involve yourself into those activities. And because of those activities, I overcame my fear at public speaking and all. And a big shout out to Ravi sir, Kishore sir, and Girish sir, our senior faculties and core Java faculty members, which really helped us improve our subject. And because of that, I got placed in